In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google AI Studio audio sync issue in Filmora. If you've noticed your voice track or generated narration slowly falling out of sync with your visuals, it usually comes down to a small offset at the start, a frame rate mismatch, or optimization settings that change timing behind the scenes. Let's walk through reliable fixes, starting with the quickest and most common solution, then moving to settings that prevent drift. Begin by checking for a tiny delay in your source audio. Drop the Google AI Studio audio onto your Filmora timeline, then zoom in closely so you can see the waveform peaks. Gently nudge the clip forward or backward by a fraction of a second. Think in the range of zero point 0.1 to 1.0 seconds. Play a short section, watch mouth movements or distinct actions like claps or cuts, and fine-tune until the transients in the waveform line up with the visual cues. This small manual shift often resolves immediate sync issues. Next, make sure your project is running at a consistent, appropriate frame rate. Open project settings in Filmora and set the frame rate to 30 FPS, or match the exact FPS of your source video. Mixing footage or assets prepared at different frame rates can cause gradual drift, so avoid scenarios like combining a 24 FPS timeline with content derived from 60 FPS processing. If the audio still feels unstable, convert it before importing. Google AI Studio Audio can use variable encoding that doesn't play perfectly in every editor. Re-encode your audio to a WAV file for maximum reliability, or a high-quality MP3 at 320 kbps, then re-import it into Filmora. This normalizes timing and reduces glitches. For troubleshooting, turn off optimizations that might be changing timing on the fly. In Filmora preferences, temporarily disable smart rendering if it's available, and turn off proxy auto-generation. This ensures what you see in the timeline reflects true playback timing while you diagnose the issue. For cleaner control, use the detach audio method. Right-click your video, choose detach audio, remove the original track, and replace it with the Google AI Studio Audio. With only one active voice track, it's easier to align the waveform accurately. If your sync starts correct and then drifts over longer videos, you're likely dealing with variable frame rate footage. Convert your video to a constant frame rate using a tool like Handbrake. Set the frame rate to constant, match your target FPS, export, and then re-import into Filmora. This locks timing so audio and video stay aligned from start to finish.